नमस्कार डिवाइन सोल्स, मेरा आपको बहुत बहुत नमन एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू यू फॉर completing your 20th day and we are reaching to the completion day of this workbook called Yes I Own Myself। अभी तक तो आपने अपने आप को ओन कर लिया है ना, और अपने आप से प्यार भी हो गया है, अपने आप को जानना भी शुरू हो गया है और लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रही है। Congratulations once more. Let's complete this session today. This session is Heal Thyself. Let's begin. Wishing you heartiest congratulations once again on coming to the completion of the task. Yes, I own myself practice. I'm sure that you must be feeling lighter. Now we have reached the most important part of the practice about how to heal you. We all are born healers. It's time to acknowledge the divinity within us. हम सब healers हैं. इवन नेचर हमें हील होने का मौका देती है, इसीलिए क्योंकि हम हीलर्स हैं। एंड आर यू रेडी टू बी द हीलिंग चैनल फॉर द पीपल यू लव इन योर लाइफ? लेट्स बिगिन द जर्नी टुडे। इफ योर आंसर इज यस, go ahead. The task for the day is sit in a comfortable position, preferably in Sukhasana. Read the below process first and then record it in your voice like how you would create a voice note or recording, and use it for your task using your phone, as that will be the best way of doing it. इस टास्क का जो भी प्रोसेस है आप एक बार ही पढ़ेंगे और उसको हो सके तो ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड कीजिए या वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, फिर बैठिए इसके स्टेप पूरे करिए। सो मैं आपके लिए स्टेप वन बाय वन रीड कर रही हूँ। Once your recording is done, play it from the start so that you can start healing process. The command is inhale joy, exhale gratitude. Inhale joy, exhale gratitude. Inhale joy, exhale gratitude. As you inhale joy, exhaling gratitude, I want you to focus on your third eye. Visualize a beautiful shiny little star. This can be of any vibrant color of your own. Your Agya chakra between the center of your third eye, you need to focus there, expanding its vibration. The light of this little star expands its aura, spreading all over the body, relaxing you from the top to the toe. Let this light get filled in every cell of yours. Keep inhaling and exhaling joy within you. Once you start seeing yourself covered with this beautiful divine light of your higher self, I want you to think now or recall any one person from your family or friends or anyone with whom you want to create a harmonious relationship, or you want to heal the person in front of your eyes. Bring that person in front of your eyes. Once you can visualize the image of this person, imagine that the light of your soul is expanding from your third eye, is reaching into both of your palms. Now outstretch your palms or hands of healing to reach out to the above heart chakra of that person. Let your hands and palms to reach out onto the heart chakra of the person. Remember, heart is located in the center of the chest. As you are placing your hands above the heart chakra, I want you to feel that amazing green light of healing is centering into the person's heart, cleansing out toxicity of mind, body and soul from the heart chakra itself. As you are sending this light, I want you to keep repeating in your mind the affirmation for this person, stating, you are healed, you are safe. Also, you can elaborate like this, starting from you. I am healed, you are healed. I am safe, you are safe. I am healed, you are healed. I am safe. You are safe. I accept as you are. You accept me as I am. I accept as you are. You accept as I am. I accept as you are. You accept me as I am. I forgive you for not being perfect. You forgive me for not being perfect. I forgive you for not being perfect. You forgive me for not being perfect. I forgive you for not being perfect. You forgive me for not being perfect. I set you free and you have set me free. I set you free and you have set me free. I set you free and you have set me free. We both are healed and free. We both are healed and free. We both are healed and free. Keep affirming at least 3 times as I did. Feel the energy of the other person's heart chakra is also expanding with vibrant green light reaching to your heart chakra too, and has created a healing bridge filled with love and compassion between both of you. Now both of you are balancing your energies and experiencing bliss all around. Allow yourself to know, take a few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, healing. Gradually rubbing your palms, putting it in your eyes, onto your eyes for a few seconds. Awakening your senses, feeling the love, joy and happiness. Slowly and gently now open your eyes. Once you open your eyes, take few deep breaths again. Come back to normal position. Sip some water and sit down and feel the bliss between both of you. Part 2. This exercise is not completing here. We have another part 2. But if you've been asked to scale emotional status from starting first day to the completion day, आपको फर्स्ट डे से स्टार्ट होकर लास्ट डे तक अपने आप की परफॉर्मेंस को स्केल करना है। कहाँ तक आए आप, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था जर्नी? याद है आपने एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया था फर्स्ट डे और फोर्थ डे और अब लास्ट डे। यू कैन ऑल्सो ड्रॉ योर पिक्चर एंड ऑल्सो गिव योर सेल्फ अ रेटिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 10। किस रेट पे आप अपने आप को देखते हैं? इमेजिन अ स्केल ऑफ 0 to 10 रेटिंग। 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. And you have been asked to rate self-practice you have been doing for the last 21 days. How will you rate yourself? Where do you feel you have reached in this journey? Of 1 to 10 pyramid. Mark your scale here. For example, I found myself on the rank 3 of loving and owning myself on the first day. When I begin this journey, and on the completion day, I could see myself reaching to the rank 10. I want everyone to create beautiful handmade scales pointing parameters from 1 to 10. Be creative in rating your performance. You have expected good ratings from our parents, teachers and gurus. Now it's your time to give yourself the best rating. आज अपने आप की परफॉर्मेंस को खुद जांचने का वक्त आ गया है। Affirm, I am living abundantly. I am infinite being of light, shining bright with love all around. Best of luck. High scale in your life. This is what is your journey. I wish you all the best. May this workbook and the tools brings abundance in your life. Signing off today after 21 days practice. Thank you so much. Thank you for owning yourself today. God bless you. And keep loving yourself. Always remind you are precious. That's why you are alive.